She's got an addiction.
No, trust me.
Uma's red. Come on. So cute. Absolutely.
And that's it. If I'm doing this correctly, tomorrow is the first day of fall. And we all know what falls means. Fall is the best season of all times. Okay, so we want to be ready for the aesthetic, for Halloween, for the pumpkin coffee everywhere. Like, I wait for this all year. It's my favorite season. So today, you and me, we're gonna make sure that my closet is ready for fall too. Because there's no way I don't have like super aesthetic outfits for fall. So I know I started this a long time ago. I did already organize. So before I rematched, I wanted to film that video. So I did a first part where I was like, I'm about to rematch, so let me clean up everything. I don't know what I did of this video, and I think it was in French. Kind of back, I might use it, but probably not. We have this bag full of stuff going for Goodwill. Most of it are really like stuff that I don't wear anymore. And even for fall, like I don't use all of this. There's also jackets that I'm gonna give away. Right now, the first step before going thrifting is to clear my closet. Because if there's one thing we support on this channel is not overbuying stuff when we don't need them. So we're gonna make sure to remove what I don't wear so that it can be reused. That's step one. And then we're gonna make a list of everything that I'm missing so that I don't overbuy. We just wanna buy what we need. We're gonna look on Pinterest like we usually do, right? Pinterest. What was the title of those videos I used to make? Pinterest chooses my wardrobe, something like this. Anyways, if you want to see those videos, they're available. They're old though, but they're still fun, I guess. The first step is going to be cleaning the closet. Let's go over this bunch first. This is tan. I love this. Those two very basic shirts is always useful, especially in the fall. I haven't worn them in summer for obvious reasons because long sleeves are not made for summer, especially in Georgia. I might restyle one of them, like cut it off or whatever, because they're pretty similar, but well, it's like black turtleneck. Who gives away a black turtleneck? We all need a black turtleneck. This one, I might give it away. I might try to find another one. A black shirt, I'm considering. I'll see if I find outfits with it. But I feel like it's easier to style a white shirt. Georgia's new for me, and in terms of weather, I feel like it's different from France. It's way more hot here, and I used to wear like long sleeves all the time. This one I liked it. I used to wear it for the gym. There used to be like this spider thing, but see, the spider used to be gray, and I passed it at like the washer, and now it's like white. I'm gonna try to see if I can style it, but it's probably going away. Those are yes, because for when it rains, and this one, if I find a better one, I'm gonna be honest, I might change it because this one has those weird like square shoulders that make me look like a soldier or something. I don't know. So those are staying, definitely. Honestly, I can't wait to wear that turtleneck again. I love this turtleneck, but I swear in this weather, I would be cracking in there, and not the good kind. Okay, so in there, I feel like there's a lot of stuff that I said I would style, and that I end up never styling because I didn't have the thing, or that it was too far in the closet, so I never would take it out, or I didn't dare because, you know, I had some issues with my previous host mom about the way I dress. So I still try to be careful, even though like I had no issue with this family. They're so nice. I think a part of me is still like trying to get used to allowing myself to dress however I want. I think I'm gonna take out some stuff also that I said I would style for a long time and I haven't, because I don't see the objective of keeping something if in the end I don't wear it. We got rid of a bunch of stuff. If I knew the amount of clothes I stole from my boyfriend, I think I have 3 prints of his, 1 jort, 2 sweaters. Anyways, I don't know if he still has clothes in his closet, but anyways, also a shirt, it's back there. But anyways, so I think I'm gonna give this back to him because, you know, just to make sure he has clothes, that he doesn't wander out naked. As always, we'll consider that everything that has to be washed or is in the laundry machine is things that I wear often enough to not recheck. So I think we're good. I have everything with me. Right. I want to go over Pinterest on the things I hesitate to give away. The one that I put away that are out of my closet and I don't know yet what to do with it. Because somehow I feel like I could do something with it and I don't want to like overbuy again. So if I can do something with what I have here, I'm going to make sure that I can. And honestly, all of the things that are out are things that I haven't worn for so long that I think it's gonna be okay if I give it away. Like seriously, I'll be fine. So I hope that move was cool. I probably will cut it off, but it's okay. Pinterest and outfit ideas. This is what I have. So those long skirt, I've been wearing them a lot, but they stayed in there because I love them. The one I was looking at is this one. I feel like the shape of it doesn't suit me. I guess there's this. I could wear it underneath something else. I have a black bra that I could put underneath. Like I don't think I need that shirt that much. I have After looking through my whole Pinterest, I don't think I'm gonna keep this one, so this is going away. Then there's this one, and I remember back then when I did the video of like Pinterest chooses my wardrobe, I did have ideas for it, but I have the feeling that I never actually wore it because I don't like the shape of that dress. This one is really like straight, and I like when it curves around your hips like this one. Either I find a slim little one, but I don't wear it. I don't need it. Someone might wear it more than me, so this is going away. We're gonna go on a hard one now. I never wear it, but I don't think I'm gonna give it away because it's a concert t-shirt. I think I took it too oversized. Then there's these, and I had like ideas like this. This is the kind of thing that I'm thinking of, like this one. Do you have the vision? I have a mix of this. Should I cut this off? I'm gonna think about it a little bit. Like I used to wear so much oversized, and now I have so much oversized and I don't know what to do with it because I'm more like into those things now. So okay, this one is definitely going away. I tried and it didn't work out. It's not a good relationship for me. What I really liked about this one is the sleeves are really long, and I like to do this with my sleeves, which I can kind of do with this shirt, but it pulls too much here. But to give you a little idea of what we're gonna look for tomorrow, I think we're gonna go for the white turtleneck. I would really like to find a leather jacket but it's so impossible to find, so I might not be able to find it. I've been looking everywhere for a leather jacket. You can find it in like expensive thrift stores. Leather jackets in those expensive thrift stores are like really expensive because leather jackets. It's really hard to find a good thrifted leather jacket. I think I'm reaching the end of this water bottle. I don't have that many sweaters, Gilmore Girl kind of sweaters, so I'd like to have at least one of those. And socks. I need like those cute kind of socks. I really need that. I think in terms of shoes, I'm good. Skirts though, I might want some more of those skirts. I really love those skirts. So I think we have our plan. We have our little list. So now that all of this is done, let's go to the thrifting part. I'm so close to the camera, right? Guys, I want to tell you a secret. We're gonna find what we need to find for fall.
Am I doing good?
You're doing amazing, Dylan.
Yeah, what are you thinking about, man?
About men?
No, ma'am.
Oh shit, I had so many things to say about men. About what?
I just said, what are you thinking about, ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am?
About ma'am?
No. Okay, y'all, we got a little distracted. She's got an addiction.
No?
A healthy addiction. Books fuel the brain.
I don't have any addictions.
How did we get here?
I have the money to buy books. Trust me. Vampirates! Girl.
This is more my style. Almost ran smack into the entire Beardo family. Luckily, I was able to duck for cover just in time. Wow, Greg. Greg, what are you doing? Oh, freaky book.
It actually looks good though.
What does it say?
Love, Lies, and Spies.
I love this movie. My favorite Adam Sandler movie. Oh, no. Your book? I threw it in the trash. I'm just joking. Did I draw this? Okay, y'all, so now she's gonna buy this sewing machine.
$6.99? Are you kidding me? It's nothing.
How do we know it works?
That's the thing.
Ooh, but this one definitely works. It's got the cord, it's got the paper, right?
Yeah, and it's just $2 more.
So no more thrifting fall clothes. We're making fall clothes. Period. Oh my God, my allergies. Cut this out. Ooh, mine's red.
He's from the dark side.
Because I'm black?
Yes. Do we do the...
Oh, yeah, go.
Can you do the Anakin thing?
Which one's that? This one? No.
How do you do it?
I can't tell you. Oh, hold on.
Imagine if in a fight, if you turn it off without wanting to.
Like, oh, it's like that.
You just like shit and then you're dead. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Oh,
You're
shit.
dead. I win. He's bad.
That's it. You're done.
Great acting, guys.
Rest in peace. Why are you hitting me so hard?
I don't even want to try it on. Now that I see it, it's like, no, it's really not my color. Sorry, dress. You're cute.
Bye-bye, dress.
No.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You gotta go.
Wait, this one is so
Okay,
cute.
come on. You gotta stay.
Please be good. Please be good. Please be good.
Ooh. I got you.
Oh, it's too short. The sleeves are too short. But the rest is good though. So
Girl, come on. Come
but
on.
I'm not taking it.
Why not?
Because it's too weird. Like, I don't like short sleeves.
Okay.
You gotta go.
You gotta go. Oh my god, this one's so cute. Bow. Come on. It's gotta stay. It's gotta stay. It's gotta. Girl, it looks so good.
It does though.
It really does, right? Come on. Bow. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You're just making me spend my money.
It's gotta stay.
It's gotta stay.
It's gotta stay.
You know what makes the difference? I think it's the line here where it makes the short sleeves less weird. It's so comfortable. Touch this.
It's gotta
Every
stay.
time I watch this little guy, it's so
Yo, it's gotta stay.
yes. It has to stay. Is it good for fall?
I think so. It's the.
You don't like it?
You know what? Get it. It's $3.49. I like it.
I'm gonna be honest, I have all the videos. Every time you did transition, you forgot what the transition was the next shot.
Really? Everyone?
Everyone. And
Not
you know what?
everyone.
No,
Because I
you're
remember
right.
doing
No, you're
this
right.
one.
The last one in my math for the cinema, we didn't even do the rest. It's like the end of the video.
No. Okay. Okay. Yo. Yo. Oh my god, you gotta get that like sewing machine. Come on, it's gotta stay. This shit's gotta stay, right? Absolutely. Thumbs up of approval. Oh my gosh. Yo, like,
Everything fits me.
yo, isn't she beautiful, girl? Ooh, ooh. I found a Dior tie here once. Still got it. I still got it. Still got it.
Proud of you.
We're up. I'm proud of you. French fry backpack, like.
I need to wear more ties, but I have them at home. Like at home, not at home. That makes sense?
Yes.
Okay, so these 3, 4, 5,
Uh-huh.
and that's it. 6.
Hello.
Every time I look at this, I'm like, this is so good.
So cute.
It is.
Oh, sorry. He's. Girl, what if it had like? What if it had like?
Please. It's giving fall. Let's be real.
Come on, y'all. She looks great. Come on. Come on.
Maybe.
God, don't maybe. It's great. You should get it.
Oh, if I had. Don't make me.
No, I'm just joking.
Maybe it's for us. Oh, go back. You know, stop. If I had known that having a boyfriend meant like I could shop without walking, I would have known. I would have gotten one earlier. You know what I miss? My book. I wish I could just be reading there. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding.
POV.
I'm gonna take you to the men's jeans. Ah, no, that's girls. Ah, oh no, that's boys. Ah, that's men's.
On the right.
Ah, here we go.
Okay, y'all. So she found this shirt.
I've been
Very
waiting for so
cute.
long
Very
for
nice.
something like this.
Super nice. Holy mackerel.
What if I do a turn?
Bow.
Bag that I'm holding.
Bow, girl. Yo. Yes.
Look at the bag.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yes. Yeah. Sorry. Yes.
It's time to look at what I found. If we bring back the list, I know lots of stuff were not found. The leather jacket, I couldn't find it, unfortunately. Now let's kind of look at what I discovered. Some of them were planned and some of them were not, but it's okay. It's okay. First, we have this one that I really like. I haven't started it yet, but hopefully the idea would be to go for something like this. Those brownish colors I really liked, and I think maybe it's just me, but it really feels like fall. Then we have this one. I feel like it's in the mood of fall, and I didn't find it not a long time ago, so I included it. I feel like Gilmore Girls sweaters could be considered as this, even though it's not like the Gilmore Girls sweater, though I did find it. Maybe more of an Ella and a Gilbert kind of sweater. I found this shirt, and I think this is the sign for me to give away the 2 shirts that I showed you earlier. I was like, oh, I don't know, I feel like it's easy to style, but they don't fit me as well as this one does. So I'm really happy I found this one because I'll be able to give away the other ones, which I don't use anymore. Then I found this one, kind of the same as the red one, but in black. And honestly, it's like, I have so many ideas of what I'm going to do with this one. It's like so adorable. For this one, I already styled it and I really like it. I styled it with the shirt I just showed you with a skirt. It works really, really well. And for fall, it's like, it's really giving dark academia whenever I wear it. I'm really happy with everything I found because it really will help me to like clear my closet with the things that I actually never wear, because now I see really what I do wear. So I think lots of stuff that I didn't clear away the first time that we filmed, most of those stuff will actually go away. Then we have this one. There's a little spot right here. I need to wash it, but it's pretty simple and basic, so I can kind of wear it every day, you know. And finally, a Gilmore Girl sweater. I really love the little like buttons on the sides. It's really sweet, really cute. The texture is really comfortable. I was scared of this too. It's like whenever I take sweaters, I feel like most of the time they all end up being like uncomfortable. It's like you wear it and it looks good, but it's uncomfortable, and then you never wear it because you don't want to be uncomfortable. This one really is. I'm really happy I found it. And going on the skirts, I only found skirts actually. So this goes in the skirts that I was looking for already. These. I also found this one, and I have the same version, but the long one that I also think is really pretty. I can't wait to style all of this. I already styled most of it, honestly, but yeah, that's it. My closet is back and ready for fall, and it's cleaned. I'm going to be able to give away so much stuff. I've been also willing to do this video for so long, and I had this bag of clothes that I was supposed to give away for so long because I was like, oh, I still need to film this video. Now that it's filmed, I'll be able to just like drive to Goodwill and give it away. If you enjoyed this video, I hope it motivated you to clean up your wardrobe too, because guys, it is time. Fall is coming. It's the moment. And I already started those videos on Instagram, TikTok, where I style the clothes that I thrifted. Like, I create outfits with only thrifted clothes. I do this because I really want to encourage people to thrift. It's like the best solution we have out there to stay respectful of the environment, because fast fashion is like, it's terrible how those industries pollute so much. So like, you have so many amazing pieces. Some pieces that I find sometimes have the ticket, it's never been worn before. So really, like, you can really find great stuff. So if you want to go and see that, I know that I used most of those fits and most of those pieces because they're really good, and I really think that I'm going to wear them way more. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week for a new video. I'm really preparing a month of content just so that it's scheduled and I can really start to work seriously on this, because I really enjoy making videos. Please give me your feedback on everything. I can't wait to have your reaction on everything that's coming. Thank you so much. So I will see you next week for another video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and don't hesitate to subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I know I post a lot on TikTok. Lots of things are scheduled, so if you want to follow me up there, I think you'd like it. All right, bye.